Mika Leon. I'm the chef and owner of Caja Caliente, located here in Miami, Florida. I would describe my cooking style and my food as, Cuban comfort food. It's very approachable, it's not intimidating, it's flavors that you grew up eating. A lot of it is Cuban inspired. It's very inspired by my roots and my family. In the 60s, my family left Cuba and went to Spain, where my grandfather and family owned and operated 3 restaurants. So it was like the first Cuban food on the east coast of Spain, and it was just different. And I think a lot of those flavors, whether it be the lechon, the cabechi, and things like that, really inspired me today. So I'm trying to, have a more sustainable approach to food, which is another reason I love working with Openblue Cobia. My mom plays a big factor in my inspiration every day and my dishes, where I kind of go back to her and I'm like, I want to see the dishes that she grew up making at my grandfather's restaurant, but I'm like, Mommy, how can we kind of make this our own and make it more of a caja approach, which is more modern, but it's still Cuban. It's not one big dish. You could have a little bit of everything, which goes back to the tapa style from my Spanish culture. What I love about working with Openblue Cobia is it's a very sustainable approach to fish, and it's a very buttery fish that kind of grabs the flavor that you put on it. It's also, the way that Openblue presents it, it's something that's not intimidating for home chefs. You get it in fillets, or it's already cut up for your tacos, or it's already in the shape of a burger. So I think it's not only amazing for chefs such as myself, but as well as home cooks.